Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Maintaining the peak performance of a marine auxiliary engine requires meticulous attention to the smallest details of its internal components, and among the most critical of these are the piston rings, which serve as the primary seal for the combustion chamber. When we talk about piston ring maintenance on a ship, two specific measurements stand above the rest for ensuring engine health, which are the ring gap and the ring tension. Before you start any work, ensure the engine is properly locked out and the piston assembly has been safely removed and cleaned of all carbon deposits, using a soft brass scraper to avoid scratching the surfaces. To perform a ring gap measurement, you must first take the individual piston ring and insert it into the cylinder liner from which it was removed. It is vital to use the piston itself without the rings fitted to push the ring down into the liner, ensuring it sits perfectly square and level at a depth where the liner wear is minimal, typically at the lower part of the stroke. Once the ring is positioned, use a precision feeler gauge to measure the distance between the two ends of the ring. This gap is essential because as the engine reaches operating temperature, the ring expands due to intense heat, and if the gap is too small, the ends will butt against each other, causing the ring to seize or break, which can lead to catastrophic liner scoring. Conversely, if the gap is too large, it allows combustion gases to blow by into the crankcase, resulting in power loss, increased oil consumption, and rapid contamination of the lubricating oil. Always refer to the engine manufacturer manual for the exact clearance limits. Moving on to the ring tension check. This is a measure of the outward pressure the ring exerts against the liner wall, which is what creates the actual seal. While specialized tension testing machines are often used in shore workshops on board a ship, we often perform a tangential load test or a simple diameter comparison against a new ring. A ring that has lost its tension or has become permanently deformed will not scrap oil effectively from the liner wall and will fail to hold compression. You can check for loss of elasticity by measuring the free gap of the ring when it is not compressed. If the free gap has significantly reduced compared to a new ring, the material has likely suffered from thermal fatigue and the ring must be replaced. During your inspection, look closely for any signs of scuffing, bright spots, or micro seizures on the outer running surface of the rings, as these indicate poor lubrication or overheating. Every measurement you take should be recorded in the maintenance log to track the wear rate of the engine over its service life. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.